Hello, everybody, and welcome to Apex Physics Summer 2020. Let's get into it. This is the semester one course. So if you need to do some credit recovery for physics semester one, or if you've never taken it and you're trying to get credit for it, you are in the right spot. Okay. If you're not, email me and we need to get you to another class. But my name is Timon Imsh. I am a teacher at Beaverton High School. I've been teaching physics for a while. Usually I teach this course in Spanish. I've been teaching in the summer for a long time, but this year we're gonna be doing something a little bit different, and I'm kind of excited about that. So first thing is Canvas. Everything's gonna be on Canvas. Everything. Email me if you have a question, but everything else is gonna be on Canvas. When you get to Canvas, as you probably know, you will have right up here, courses, bam, you should only have one or two. What we're going to be doing here is this one that says Physics 1 Imsh. Imsh is my last name. It's a weird one. All right. And you're going to see this basic homepage. Right here, you're going to see some upcoming stuff, some due dates, some things that are going to be due. And then right here is broken up to what we're going to be doing. We meet Monday through Thursday for 5 weeks. That's 20 class periods. Okay. Each class is about 45 minutes to an hour long in total amount of work. Now, you don't have to do it live. You can do it whenever you want, but that's 20 hours of work. 20 hours of work instead of an entire semester. So it's a pretty good deal, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I organize my Canvas site because it's a little bit different for every teacher. Basically, I'm gonna be adding these links right here. I try to stay a day or two ahead of time. So I've done number one, almost done with number two. By the time you see this video, I'll probably be done with number two. And then I'm gonna add one a day so I get ahead of everyone. So you can kind of go at your own pace, okay? But let's take a look at day one. So here's day one, and there's a bunch of information. I'm pretty much just summarizing this right here. And there's a couple different tasks. You have to do a little survey, it takes like 5 minutes. Add a little discussion post, 10 minutes. If this really takes you 10 minutes, then you're lying because it's not going to take you 10 minutes. It's going to take you like 3 minutes. You just say like something about yourself and that's about it. Then there's a little bit of a presentation and you'll always see a little link, not always, but sometimes you'll see a link of me teaching the presentation. But this right here, this is the presentation that I'll be teaching from. It's for day one is about variables and research questions. And then you do a little assignment. That's kind of like the majority of your work. So you click on this. It should load up. And this is kind of new. This is something that's a little bit different, maybe from other teachers that you have. This right here is your homework for the day, okay? You watch this video, you type in your answers. Please leave your answers red, okay, the color red, so that I can quickly kind of review them, okay? Bam, you do that, and then when you are done, a little blue box will come up here and it will say submit, okay? And that's it. That's how you do your homework. This should take you probably about 25 minutes, okay? That's like the majority of the work for this first day. Then at the very end of any day that there is like new content, there's a little bit of a quiz. The quiz you get to take twice. It automatically keeps the best score. And that's that. Oh, look at those are the answers. Don't look at the answers. And so this is what the quiz will look like right here. All right. Usually it's 5 questions. Each one's worth a point. This one's kind of cool. You have to read this, then you like say like, oh, this is the independent variable, the dependent variable. So blah, blah, blah. There it is. Okay, cool, cool. That is what the quizzes will look like. Okay, and that's about it. So there's usually some kind of discussion, maybe twice a week, a presentation every day, a little bit of an assignment, and a little bit of a quiz. If you add these up, it should be less than an hour. If you do an hour a day, that should be it. It's pretty low key. Okay, but there's another option. The other option, this, by the way, I write all of the content. There's probably going to be spelling errors because I'm like writing new content every day. And the reason why I'm writing new content is because the other thing, which is called Apex, is pretty boring. And it's not what you learn. If you took physics at a Beaverton School District school, you learn about all this stuff. And so this is kind of a review, and you're probably going to do better the second time. Apex is like a completely new physics class. And I want to show you what Apex looks like. Apex looks like this. This is Unit 1. You read a little bit, you can answer, you can watch a video, read a little bit, answer a little bit, read a little bit, answer a little bit, read a little bit, get an equation, answer a little bit, read a little bit, answer a little bit, read a little bit. That's on page 6 of 21. So this first unit is not even first unit. This first part is 21 pages long. It gets a little boring, okay? But what's nice about it is everything is translated. So if you speak Swahili, you can translate this into Swahili, no problem, all right? And you can have it read aloud to you and stuff like that.
Practice identifying known variables and finding unknown variables.
Okay,
You were
thank you. So that is an option, but here's the deal. That first one is 21 pages, okay? And then you take a quiz, all right? So check it out. Read 21 pages, read 21 pages, quiz, read 21 pages, quiz, read 21. It's long, it's tedious, and it's stuff that you've never seen before, so it's kind of hard to do well. If this is what you want to do, though, I can set you up for it, and you can totally do it, and I won't even be offended. You can just go at your own pace. I'm not going to be able to help you as much because everyone will be at different spots, but you can just go right ahead and do it, okay? Cool. You have to let me know though. Otherwise, I'm going to assume that you want to do this Canvas one. It's going to be a little bit easier and it's going to be a lot more like what you learned at whatever school you went to in Beaverton School District. Cool, cool. So there's assignments, quizzes, labs, and then some discussions and exams, and that's that. You can always check your grades by clicking on grades. And as we go along, you'll be introduced to kind of more of these. This first day, Monday, there's a discussion post. You have to either watch me present or link to the presentation. You can just kind of read it yourself, do the assignment, and do the quiz. Okay? Now, I put due dates on this, but technically you can do this whenever you want. All right? I assigned it on Monday, and I usually do 3 days as a due date. So you'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to do it. And then I'll post Tuesday stuff. And for Tuesday, you'll have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to do it. And so I usually do about 3 days due date. Now, technically, if you're gone for a week, you can probably do it wherever you're going. It's not like you're going somewhere without internet. But allows it so that even if you do this 3 days late, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you're still on track for this one. The only exception would be the Unit 3 exam, the very last thing. This actually needs to be done by that Thursday. Okay? So that's that. Email me if you have any questions. Please do the first assignments. The first assignments are actually really important. You have to do this little survey that tells me some information about you and also the discussion post so I can see, just learn some stuff about you. All right. I will talk to you later. Take it easy. Peace.